Hello everyone, greetings of the day. And in our today's discussion, I'm going to discuss about the another important concern in the field of management perspective. And you are aware of that many transformations are being there in the world due to this COVID-19 pandemic, especially when we are talking about the organizational behavior and the organizational culture or the leadership or the positiveness, etc. People often get promoted into leadership roles because of what? Uh, yes, because of the strong performances. Definitely, the strong performances are the criteria to judge the effectiveness of the performance of any employee or any CEO in the organization. Usually, which enabled by their technical skills and expertise. Yes, today's discussion is especially focused on the technical expertise and the technical skills we are having, but unfortunately those things don't often translate into effective leadership. So this can make it difficult to inspire, coach, co-create, and build commitment to a shared vision also. So how can you solve this problem and increase your own effectiveness as a leader, even if your organization is not helping you to do so also? So by committing to ongoing self-directed leadership development, here are some some alternative you can adopt for the particular purpose of the technical transformation, and you have to build up the expertise, and you have to encourage your leadership. Here are some few aspects which I would like to discuss. The first very important aspect is identify a leadership competency you would like to build. Uh, then shift your focus from the external problem that's bothering you to the internal development you might need. That's one thing. Second important aspect is reflect and seek input to better understand the challenge you are facing, just as you do when trying to solve some technical issues which occurred during the operations of your organization. Then considering stakeholder perspectives can sharpen your analysis of the problem also. So that is in the combination of both of these aspects. Then another aspect is use your increased understanding of the situation and your own role in it to identify specific behaviors to change or implement the same. So in this case, you have to make a balance, as the growing technicalities are increasing day by day due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and the work from home culture is now developing in the many organizations, and leadership and the leaders are finding some problems in the technical aspect. So these points are helps you what that you have to identify a leadership competency, then reflect and seek input to better understand the challenges you are facing on this technical aspect, and use your increased understanding of the situation. So these are the some of the areas whereby you can transform your technical expertise into leadership. Thank you so much for the day, and take care of yourself well. I'll be coming up with the more management perspective aspects related to the organizational behavior, marketing, HR, finance, etc. And take care of well yourself and your family.